তিনি Aguli TRPC TangNok.O Bharat সংবিধান রচনা খাইনাই বরম গনাং Dr.B.R.Ambedkar 133তম AchaimaSal no palai laikha o palai thanio chati moton sogui Chengsrokha MOS TRPC ni barja manjak borom gnangjak Madam Batal Konna Jamatia Naitongdi CHONG TV Soyakari.
Dr.B.R.Ambedkar was born 1891. He was the most economist, philosopher and social reformer. He was the architect of our constitution. Actually, Dr. Ambedkar, he fought for the development and for the backward classes. Throughout his life, he fight for the development of the backward classes and he was the first law and justice minister of the cabinet. Actually, Ambedkar is the main architect of the constitution. He dedicated his life for the benefit of the backward classes. The Indian people should follow his philosophy and should respect his sacrifice for the development of our country. I request all our people to follow the guideline philosophy of our head Dr.B.R.Ambedkar.